for example, if you were to, let's see, go to the restaurant and eat. So, レストランに食べに You can stop doing this cursive. 食べに行きます. So if it's a do drop like 食べる, we just rip the do off. So レストランに食べに行きます. You could also inject in here 晩ご飯を So レストランに晩ご飯を食べに行きます. I go to the restaurant to eat dinner. Okay, and that's how we link these two. And when you say like 食べに行きます, you could say 服屋さんにコートを買いに行きます. Okay, so 服屋さんにコートを買いに行きます. In other words, I go to the clothing store. You don't have to use san, so that's actually kind of just me being like sounding like a kid. 服屋にコートを I go to the clothing store to buy a coat. Notice in this case, this is the mas form minus the mas. Okay, so 買いに行きます, 立ちに行きます, what else we got? 飲みに行きます, 飲みに行きます is very common, like people will go out drinking, so 飲みに行きます. So continuing, some of the words that are introduced in chapter 3.3, 借ります, which is to borrow. To be careful is 気をつけて. 映画館 is movie theater. 証明書 is your ID. Okay? And then 運転免許 is your driver's license. We also gave these examples here. See if you can read them. I'll give you about 10 seconds. See if you can read the first one. Okay? I will say 出す means to take out. So what do you think the first sentence means? Yeah, that's right. It's 銀行にお金を出しに行きます. I go to the bank to withdraw money. Number 2. Go ahead and take about 10 seconds to see if you can read it. That's a yo, by the way. Not just a random. Okay, 郵便局に郵便を出しに行きます. I go to send a letter at the post office. Number 3, see if you can find out what that one means. 教会 is church. I know I've taught that before. And お祈り is to pray. That's right. So 教会にお祈りをしに行きます. I go to pray at the church. And then the last one is 動物園に動物を見に行きます. What would 見に行きます be? Again, 見ます would be the verb. So to go see would be correct. 動物園に動物を見に行きます. So that's, make sure you do the homework that's on Google Classroom. That's just shortly what we did Monday, today, the 5th of October. じゃあね。